Morning children, are you ready? Okay, all of you take your politics textbook, page number 18. Our new lesson is about the role of the government in the health. India is a democratic country, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. So people expect the government for the work of their welfare. All of you, in a democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. Listen, all of you. In a democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. Listen, children, welfare means the health, happiness and fortunes of a person or group. Listen, all of you, welfare means the health, happiness and fortunes of a person or group. Children, do you know the welfare activities done by the government is? It is education, health, employment, housing, roads, electricity, etc. All of you, welfare activities done by the government is classified into 6 1. First one is education, second one health, third one employment, fourth one housing, fifth one roads, and sixth one electricity. So, welfare activities done by the government can be classified into 6. First one is education, second one is health, third one is employment, fourth one is housing, fifth one is roads, and sixth one is electricity. Our next topic is about health. Health means ability to remain free from illness and injuries. Health means our ability to remain free from illness and injuries. So, listen, all of you, health means our ability to remain free from illness and injuries. Health is not only about disease but other than various factors which affect the health. All of you, but health is not only about disease. Listen, all of you, but health is not only about disease. Other than disease, various other factors also affect our health. So listen to all of you, other than disease, various other factors also affect our health. Example, clean drinking water, proper nutritious food, etc. Health depends on overall development of an individual, active and good spirit in every sphere of life, and no mental strain, etc. Of your active and good spirit in every sphere of life, no mental strain, etc. Listen, of your active and good spirit in every sphere of life, no mental strain, etc. The topic is about healthcare in India. Children, all of you, take your textbook, page number 20. Can you see the heading healthcare in India? Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. Let us examine some of the aspects of healthcare in India. 2 columns given there. Can you see? Yes or no? Yes. So, first column, listen. India has largest number of medical colleges in the world and among largest producers of doctors. Approximately 50,000 new doctors qualify every year. Every year, new doctors are qualifying in our country. Next column given, healthcare facilities have grown substantially over the years. In 1950, there were only 2,770 hospitals in India. In the year 1991, there were 11,174 hospitals. In the year 2000, the number grew to 80,212. So, from this we can understand that number of hospitals are increasing by year. Next one, India gets a large number of medical tourists from many countries. So many medical tourists are also coming to a country. They came for treatment. Some of the hospitals in India compare with the best in the world. They may get best treatment in our country. Next column, India is the 4th largest producer of medicines in the world and also largest exporter of medicine. Not only producing but exporting medicine is also our country's the largest producers. Then again column given there, next column given, most doctors settle in urban area. Then people in rural area have to travel long distance to reach a doctor. Village area to reach a doctor, they want to travel a long distance to reach the cities and all. Number of doctors with respect to population is much less in rural area. The doctors number is also very less in rural village area. Next column, about 5 lakh people die from tuberculosis every year. This number is almost unchanged since independence. Almost 2 million cases of malaria report every year and this number is not decreasing. Then different diseases number is not increasing and at the same time some disease number are decreasing. We are not able to provide clean drinking water to all. 21% of all communicable diseases are waterborne. For example, diarrhea, worms, hepatitis, etc. Different waterborne diseases also we can see there. Half of all children in India do not get adequate food to eat and are undernourished. And some children do not get enough food to eat also. For healthcare is very important in every country to prevent and treat illness. A lot of healthcare in India, need for healthcare. So listen all of you, to prevent and treat illness. So listen children, healthcare in India, need for healthcare to prevent and treat illness. Required to have facilities such as healthcare services, blood banks, hospitals, ambulances, laboratories for testing, etc. Of you, we are required to have facilities such as health centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood banks, etc. So listen all of you, we are required to have facilities such as health centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood bank, etc. To run such facilities, we need workers, nurse, qualified doctors and other professionals. In order to run such facilities, we need health workers, nurse, qualified doctors and other health professionals. So listen all, in order to run such facilities, we need health workers, nurses, qualified doctors and other health professionals. We also need medicines and equipment for treating the patients. We also need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patients. So listen to all of you, we also need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patients. We also need medicines and equipment for treating the patient. All of you, we also need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patient. So listen to all of you, we also need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patient. In India, we have a huge number of public healthcare system and its ability to look after the health section of its people. In India, we have a huge public healthcare system. It is the ability to look after the health section of its people. So listen all, in India, we have a huge public healthcare system. Public health means it is run by the government. It has the ability to look after the health section of its people. With all the positive development, we are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to all. With all the positive development, we are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to people. So listen children, with all the positive development, we are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to people. Children, do you know our country has knowledge, money and people with experience but cannot provide proper healthcare facilities to all.
Children, in the textbook, page number 21, can you see a heading there? Story of Hakim Sheikh, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. Hakim Sheikh was a member of the Paschim Bengal Khet Mazdoor Samiti, an organization of agricultural laborers in West Bengal. So he was a member. One evening in the year 1092, he accidentally fell off a running train and suffered head injuries. So he got injuries after he was in a serious condition and needed immediate treatment. This person was serious condition, he needed treatment. He was taken to a government hospital in Kolkata, but they refused to admit him because they did not have spare bed. Spare means kept ready for use. They did not admit that person in that hospital. Another hospital did not have the facility or the specialist doctors necessary for his treatment. Then again another hospitals also did not give any facility for his treatment. In this way he spent 14 hours in a critical state and was taken to 8 different government hospitals, but none of them admitted him. So 14 hours in a critical stage he taken to different hospital, but nobody gave him any treatment. Finally he was admitted in a private hospital where he received treatment. He spent a lot of money on his treatment. Angry and upset over the indifferent attitude of all hospitals that refused to admit him, Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS filed a case in the court, and after that this person with his organization given one case in the court. Listen children, page number 22. Can you see a story given? Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. The cost of a cure. Cure here means to restore to health. Aman and Ranjan are good friends. While Ranjan come from a well-to-do family, Aman's parents have to struggle to make ends meet. Aman, good to see you back. How have you been? I had viral fever. Conversation between two children going there. I had viral fever and I had to go to hospital. Me too. I just got back to school on Monday. My daddy took me to see the doctor at New Hospital in Kingsway. It was very exciting. And then the children conversation going there. Again, we can see a building there. The building looks so posh. I thought it was a 5-star hotel. Daddy said that because it was a private hospital with best facility. And they are saying that it is a private hospital. Daddy had to pay rupees 500 at the reception counter itself before he even met the doctor. There was nice music playing and everything was really clear and shining, and in that building. It was very shining and clear there. The doctor asked for many tests, but everyone was so friendly. Lady who took my blood for testing told me so many jokes I forgot to feel the pain. And in the testing blood at that time also, that lady is very friendly to the child. Have you heard the one about batsman on reality television, that conversation going between child and the nurse there? After the test result came, we went back to the doctor. He looked through them and said everything was fine and I only had viral fever. They told him no problem, they have only viral fever. He prescribed some medicines and rest. Doctor told me to take some medicine and rest. So young man, this pink pill should have taken 3 times a day and white tablet once before bedtime. That is for the body ache. The one syrup down where it is so tasty. Thank you, doctor. I feel better already. That child got better. You see, I have been dying to tell you all about it. What about you? Which hospital did you go? It was as nice as yours at all. At first, Abba did not want to take me because he said it would take too much time and conversation between two children going there. And it really did. We went to a government hospital. We had to wait in a long queue at the OPD counter. I was feeling so sick that I had to lean on Abba all time, and that they want to stand in a big queue in the government hospital. When our turn came, doctor examined me and asked for a blood test. Then we had to go and stand another long queue. People were crowding around in testing room. Testing room also, people were crowded there. We got the test result after 3 days and went back to the hospital. There was a different doctor that day. Show me his OPD card and the test result quickly, please. Doctor, check the test result. He seems to be suffering from about viral fever. Nothing to worry about. All he needs is one fever reducing medicine. Doctor told, don't worry, he had only viral fever. My hospital was nice, but they gave me many medicines and whole thing cost a lot. Then how my treatment did not cost much. That children conversation going there. Rich boy told that his treatment got so much cost, and poor boy told that when they went to government hospital, their treatment is very less.